Hey Ian, it's Chris. I just wanted to call and see what's up. I haven't talked to you since the trip.
Just say like, all right, we just passed the 99. Just talk about like the trip, I guess.
In fact, I don't know if I see snow on mountains or clouds in front of mountains. We did 5.5 states yesterday, and today we're doing 1.5 states, thanks to Montana being so colossal, which I don't think we quite expected. God, I want to like park and just face that way.
I know.
Just wanted to thank you again for coming with me out to Glacier. I've been feeling like these days I'm so connected to my phone and my computer and just worrying about like the future, what's gonna happen, that I never really focus on what's happening like right now in my life at the present moment. And I think the trip really opened my eyes, and now I want to work at putting away my phone and just being more present in my life and in my relationships.
Oh, so close. Okay. No, just keep it.
So, thanks again for coming, and yeah, I'll talk to you soon, buddy. Bye.